Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your rectangular acrylic curtain rod step by step. Before getting started, make sure you have all the parts from your package. In the package, you'll find the rectangular acrylic rod finials, curtain rings, a center post bracket, saddle brackets, grub screws, mounting screws, and an Allen key. Measure the width of your window and mark the center point using a pencil. Hold the center post bracket at the center mark. Use a level to ensure it's straight. Then mark the screw holes with a pencil. Drill holes at the marked points. Now place the bracket and secure it with screws. Slide the acrylic rod into the center bracket. At both ends of the rod, place the saddle brackets. Leave a little space for one curtain ring and a finial on each side. Mark the screw holes for the saddle brackets and then drill the holes. Now attach the brackets firmly with screws. Insert the acrylic rod and add the required number of curtain rings on each side of the rod. Once everything is in position, tighten the grub screws on all brackets using the Allen key to secure the rod. Place one ring on each end of the rod, then attach the finials. And that's it. Your rectangular acrylic curtain rod is now fully assembled. With just a few easy steps, you've completed your setup, ready to hang your curtains and enjoy the finished look.